Welcome, viewers and subscribers. So, what is going on? So, I haven't uploaded a video in quite some time now. I think approximately a month. So, I've been busy working on some bridge designs at my work, and I've been doing some working drawings on the side. So, in this video, I'm going to present to you a set of working drawings for a 3-bedroom split level dwelling house. So this split level 3-bedroom, I have already uploaded it, I think sometime around June thereabouts, and I've presented to you the first draft of this residential 3-bedroom split level. So in this video, I have made some changes to it, there's little incremental changes here and there. So I have gone ahead and I've now prepared the full set of working drawings for this building. So I want to showcase to you what entails in a full set of working drawings. For me in particular, some people, might do it differently. So I'm going to show you that, and you can have a look and see for yourself what a full set of working drawings look like when you contract a person like me to do your drawings. So I want you to watch the video. I want you to share the video. I want you to like the video, and if you're a new time viewer of this channel, I also want you to subscribe. So stay tuned for the video. I'm going to start the presentation by looking at the site plan. So this is the site plan here. So this is the site plan, and as I said to you before, the site plan is looking down on the building from a bird's eye view. So let me quickly go through the offsets of the building from the eave and from the sides. So as you can see, the building is set out at 40 feet from the center line of the roadway. So this line here represents the center line of the roadway, and the building is set out at 40 feet. This dimension is telling us that it is 41 feet 5 inches, but it's based on what I have plugged in. But this is approximately 40 feet. That's my aim, to get the building offset from the eave 40 feet. And that what is on the restrictive covenants of the title. So on the left side, the building is set out 9 feet from the eave. From the right side, the building is set out approximately 8 feet from the eave. So as you can see, the side plan, on the side plan here, we have our septic tank, we have our tile field, and I have also given you the setback from the respective drainage, the septic tank and the tile field in particular. Some parish council, they ask you to show the setback from the respective drainage, especially the tile field. Some parish council, they don't mind. You do not have to show that dimension. For this parish council in particular, the Manchester Parish Council, or the Manchester Local Municipal Authority, they're going to ask me to show the different setback of the drainage. So this building is in the district of Hatfield, Orchid Drive, in Red Bank in Manchester. So if you're familiar with Manville, it is just outside of Manville going towards Pertree. So you actually reach Hatfield before you reach Pertree. So if you're leaving Manville going towards Pertree, you have to pass Hatfield first. So the building is located in that vicinity, in the vicinity of Hatfield in the Red Bank district. So as you can see, the scale of the site plan is shown here, the north arrow. The north arrow is showing horizontal here, because if I rotated the site plan vertical to show the north arrow up, and north is always up. But to get it fit on the 24 by 36 paper, I have to rotate it horizontally for it to fit. So as a result, if you rotate the site plan, you have to rotate the north arrow as well in the same orientation. So that is why I get my north arrow to look horizontal like this, but actually it should be vertically upwards on the paper. So that briefly takes care of the site plan. So I'm just going to briefly go through each pages for you. I'm not going to be long with this video. So I'm going to show you now the floor plan. So this is the floor plan here. So the front of the building, so there's an entry here into the building. So you enter into the living and dining. There is the kitchen and there is the rear balcony. To the left of the floor plan here is the primary bedroom, and this primary bedroom consists of a dimension of 16 feet by 14 feet. The primary bedroom, there's a second primary bedroom at the back, so it consists of 16 feet again by 14 feet, and both primary bedrooms has its own ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet. So to the right of the building here we have the garage. We have a storage for the garage, we have a bathroom, and we have a 12 by 13 feet bedroom with a closet. And behind the closet we have a washroom. So initially in the first draft I have this washroom to be 3 feet, so I did not think that 3 feet is sufficient, and since we have more land space I just pushed that back to 2 feet more, so I'm ending up with 4 feet 6 inches by 5 feet for this little wash room here. So this is the staircase now, leaning down into the split level portion. So I'm going to show you what the split level portion, what is going on down there on the split level portion here. And of course, at the front of the building here we have a utility room. So that utility room, I said, probably I use it for office. I don't know. We're gonna just utilize that room, based on anything that we see that we want to use it for. You can use as a TV room as well. So we have a sliding door that leads to that utility room, and a sliding door that leads to the garage. This sliding door, however, was just put there to catch some natural light into the living and dining area, since we're going to put this utility room here. So we're not going to have a window here to see on the outside of the building at the front. So this sliding door here, I just put the sliding door here to catch some natural light from the window in the garage to come into the living and the dining area. So over onto the split level portion, we have the staircase going up. So this is the staircase area here. It consists of 15 steps. I can show you in another video how I get it to be 15. So you have here a rear porch, a laundry, and we have a entertainment area here. So this entertainment area is going to be 15 feet by, if my memory serves me correctly, if I can see it on the drawings here. So this is approximately 20 feet. I don't want to go through the time to look at it on the drawings now. Right, so this is approximately 20 feet. So we can check it. So we have 6 feet here, we have 3 feet here, that's 9 feet, and we have 11 feet here, so that's 20 feet. So this entertainment area here is going to be 16 feet by 20 feet. Big enough here, very, very big. And then the bedroom on this side is going to be a 16 by 16 bedroom. So we have 16 feet here, we have 16 feet here. And the bedroom has its own bathroom, its own walk-in closet, and of course we have a half bathroom to facilitate the entertainment area here. So over on the right of the split level floor plan, we have another bedroom. This bedroom is 12 feet 4 inches by 13 feet 6 inches. It has its own walk-in closet and its own bathroom. So that is what the floor plan looks like. So, you can look at it and, see if you like it. If you like it, remember to hit the thumbs up button. So I'm going to show you what the elevation of the buildings look like. So this is the front elevation. No, sorry, this is the back. Let me show you elevation, the front elevation. So this is what the front of the building looks like. So that's the front elevation. Let me step down on this a little bit. Right, so that's the front elevation. So initially, when I did the first draft, I didn't put a complete timber roof over the entire structure. What I did was to put timber roof over the bedrooms and put reinforced concrete slab over the remaining of the floor area. So I might go back to that because to put a full timber room over this structure is going to be very expensive based on reports that I've been getting from some of the drawings that I've done for clients. They are telling me that their roofing is very expensive, especially if you're going to use a decomastic roofing tiles for your roof finishes. So the front elevation, so these windows are floor to ceiling windows. So it is still subject to change. I can just remove those floor to ceiling windows and put regular windows there. All depends on what the budget looks like and during the construction project if there is enough money to put floor to ceiling windows. So I just think that the floor to ceiling windows will enhance the aesthetical look of the building, but that is also subject to change. So this is what the right side of the building looks like. So this is the right elevation. So let me show you the other elevation on the other views. So this is the rear. So this is what the rear elevation is going to look like. Let me step down that percentage view a little bit so you can see a little better. Yes. So this is what the rear elevation looks like. And this is what the right side, the left elevation is going to look like. So I've shown you the floor plan and I've shown you what the building looks like, and I've also shown you the site plan thus far. So let me show you what the roof framing plan looks like. So this is the roof framing plan. So as I said to you before that this, let me step down on the elevation of this thing. No, that's still too big. Go 55. All right, so that's still too big. All right, so this is what the roof plan looks like. So as I said to you before, the initial design of the roof was to roof all the areas, the non-bedroom areas, and all the bedroom areas is going to have timber roof. So I might go back to that because to put a total timber roof over this building is going to be quite expensive. So if you notice at the back, so at the back here, there is a reinforced concrete slab at the back here, the back part of the building here. So I usually reserve a part of my roof area for water harvesting. So if I want to put like 2,000 gallons drum up there, because Maniville in Manchester, there is a chronic water problem. So you have to have some form of water harvesting on your property because they do not have in some areas frequent frequent water. So water, regularly lock off in some of those areas, and some of those areas do not have water at all. So there's a chronic water problem in Mandeville in the Manchester area. So, and it's a part of the restrictive covenant too of this title to have some form of water harvesting on your property. So, this roofing area, this area here at the back over the back balcony was reserved for that. So I slab that area so I can put 2 water drums on top of that. Also, the entrance of the property here, I also deck that area. So there is a lower slab here too, right in this area here at the front entry, and the detail is shown right here. So that is what the roof plan looks like. So let me know if you like what the roof design. So I've shown you that. So let me show you now what the foundation is like. So this is a foundation plan, folks, viewers and subscribers. So this is what the foundation looks like. Right, so this is what the foundation plan looks like. So if you notice, there's a retaining wall here beneath the building for the split level portion. We usually put a retaining wall here, and the detail is also created for that. So let me quickly go through the remaining pages. So this is the electrical and plumbing. So this is the electrical and drainage layout. So this is what the electrical and drainage layout looks like. I don't want to go through this. So if you want to have a better understanding, you can stop the drawings and you can look for yourself. I don't have time to go through this. So that is the electrical and drainage. So it carries a legend, electrical legend. It carries a plumbing legend. It also carries a fire legend. So this is the floor slab now. So this is the floor slab over the split level portion. So right, so this is the floor slab here on the left, showing your reinforcement. This is section BB to your floor slab. So this is a section cut here that cuts through the floor slab, and this is also section AA, which cuts through the floor slab. Section AA, section BB, and that's the section there in plan. If you observe the area that we have our staircase, this slab doesn't come over that, obviously, because you can't walk through a slab. So this area is open, and this is known as the stairway. So I also put some over support here, over support bars to reinforce the edge of the slab right here. So that is all shown on the slab detail. So section, so this is what the section looks like. Again we have section AA. So this is what section AA looks like. And this is what section BB looks like. So those are the sections for the building. So those are the sections, section AA and section BB. So I'm going to quickly show you the details now. I'm not going to be long here. I'm wrapping up now. So this is our footing detail here. Our foundation footing detail. This is our stiffener detail. This is our section through stiffener base detail. This is our type 2 stiffener base in plan. So that is what the footing detail look like. So we have here our column details. and our section 2 or slab detail here on the right. And then of course we have our staircase detail. So I'm just showing you what a full set of working drawings look like when it is done by me. You know what I mean? As I said, some people might do it differently. Some people are not as detailed. Some people are even more detailed than I am. Right? But this is what a full set of working drawings look like. So if you get me to do your working drawings, depending on the design, it's going to dictate to the amount of detail. So I'm an engineer by training, so my drawings is more engineer focused. So I create most of my engineering details to have clarity on the site, that the contractor knows how to put up the building, a strong building. So this is the retaining wall detail. So yes, let me mention a little bit about this. So this is the retaining wall detail here. So if you notice, it carries a damp-proof membrane to prevent water from penetrating the water or moisture from penetrating the wall that cause mildew and cause efflorescence in your building, and also cause your building inside of your, especially at the basement floor. You don't want moisture to come through. If moisture comes through, you're gonna have defects in the concrete. You can end up with the rebars being corroded. You can end up with efflorescence coming through your concrete. You can end up with concrete mold and all that. And also it also prevents your building, your basement floor from getting cold. So that's pretty much is it, folks. And this is also your roof detail. So basically I've shown you what the site plan is already, and this is our drainage detail, our tile field detail, and our tile field, our manual, our grease trap, manual, gully basin, or soak away pit, and our tile field. So that is it for this video. This video is just to demonstrate to you what a full set of working drawings look like. So if you like the video, as you know, as usual, share the video, watch the video until the end. That is also important. And if you're new time viewer to this channel, subscribe. Catch you in another video. Enough respect. Thank you.